I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication on your PlayStation app can seem daunting, but it's a straightforward process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the PlayStation app. Launch the PlayStation app on your mobile device or access the PlayStation website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. On the app, tap on your profile icon and select Account Settings. On the web, look for your profile in the top right corner. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, locate the Security section. Here, you will see options for two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method, either via an authentication app or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Note, if you choose SMS, make sure your phone number is correct or you want to receive the verification code. Step 5. Verify your setup. After enabling 2FA, you will be asked to verify it by entering a code sent to your chosen method. Once verified, your account will be secured with two-factor authentication. Now you're all set. With two-factor authentication enabled, your PlayStation account is much more secure. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy gaming!